Okay, see here. First main I have done it already. That is pair of linear equations. Last exercise 3.6. Here it is. Second main actually. Second main. The title I have rubbed off. What the title says, we have to formulate the equation, reading the question, then find the solutions. This what is the title. You know that. Now this is the second situation or second statement form of sum. What the question says, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. Embroidery you don't know, it comes under the tailoring one. Designing pointer, right? Fashioning. So an embroidery work has to be completed. 2 women and 5 men combined together, they begin the work, that is embroidery work, and in 4 days they together complete it. Right? Okay. Why? This is first part of the statement form of sum. Second part you see, while 3 women and 6 men, there is a change in the strength of a worker here. In first case 2 women, in second case 3 women, in first case 5 men, in second case 6 men can finish it. It means what? The same quantum of work. Understood? Can finish it in 3 days. You see here, total time taken here in the first case is 4 days. Total time taken in the second case is 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work, and also that taken by one man alone. That means if combined together men and women begin to work, in first case they take 4 days to finish it, in second case they take 3 days to finish it, but how many days are required for a one woman to work, one woman alone, not combined together, one woman alone to finish the same quantity of work or the same quantum of work, and also we have to find how many days are required for a man alone to finish the same quantum of work. This is what is the question. Hope the question is clear to you people. Right. You see the solution part of it. These statements are necessary to save the time. What I have done, written. Now I will explain each and every point written over here. Let the number of days taken by one woman alone. It is our x. Why I have taken here one woman alone? Because we have to find out the time taken by one woman alone. So also here one man alone. So let the time taken or let the number of days taken by one man alone, let it be y. Because we don't know how many days. We have to find the x and y. Then we will get the answer. Next one you see here. Work done by a woman. Here a woman. That means one woman. Work done by a woman in 1 day. In so many days, 3 and 4 days, the work is complete. They complete the work. But in 1 day, how much amount of work they will complete? So the work done by a woman, which one woman alone, in 1 day is equal to 1 by x. In x days, the whole work is done. But in 1 day, 1 by x. Understood? In the same way, work done by a man here means single man. In 1 day again, same way. See here, y means what? Here, y indicates what? To complete the whole work. But in 1 day, these are the number of days. Y stands for number of days by one man. But one man in 1 day, that is 1 by y. So also here, number of days taken together, combined together they begin the work, isn't it? So number of days taken together to complete the work, in first case here, it is 4 days. Right? So this is 4 days. But portion of the work that is completed together in 1 day, it is 1 by 4. In 4 days, the whole work is done. But in 1 day only 1 by 4. That is 1/4 of the total work is done by both man and woman together. Understood? Okay. Now here, according to first situation or according to first part of the question, that is according to, these are the given things what we have written it. According to first part of the question. First part of the question. Right. According to first part of the question, what is it? 2 women, 5 men. Here you see, 1 woman means 1 by x. 2 women means 2 into 1 by x. That means 2 into 1 by x. And here 1 man means 1 by y. Here 5 men. That means plus 5 into 1 by y. Why plus here? Because combined together. Together they finish. Together means what? Both together begin the word. So plus comes over here. 2 into 1 by x plus 5 into 1 by y. Why 2? Because 2 women. Why 5 here? Because 5 men. 1 by x is what? 1 woman and 1 man. Okay. So now whatever this is. Plus means together. Total time taken is what? 4. But what is here? Total time taken in 1 day? That is 1 by 4. That means this is 1 by 4. Now what we have to do? We have to simplify this. Okay. So here 2, 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. Now I'll continue here. This part. What I do here is let, as it is also we can continue, but to easy method, put 1 by x, let 1 by x is equal to, I put as a, and 1 by y is equal to b, right? Substitute for 1 by x and 1 by y in this equation. That is, here I will write it. Okay, continuation. After this step, here 2 into 1 by x means what? 2 into a. 1 by x means a. That means 2a plus 5 into 1 by y means what? B. That means 5b is equal to what? 1 by 4. This is 1 by 4 as it is. Now this I will put in the bracket. Now you multiply both the terms by 4. That means 4 into 2a is 8a plus 4 into 5 is 20b is equal to what? 1 is here. Right? So 1 is here. This is what is our equation number 1. We have formulated one equation or first equation, linear pair of equation in 2 variables using the first part of the question. Now we have to formulate the second equation, that is here second part, using the second part of the equation. Okay, what is the second part of the equation here? You see here according to second part of the question. According to second part of the question, as I have written according to first part of the question, right? What second part says here? 3 women. 1 woman means 1 by x. 3 women means 3 into 1 by x. That means here 3 into 1 by x plus. Why plus? Because again together is there na, even second case also. Whereas 3 women and 6 men can finish, means combined together. So here it is plus. How many men in the second case? 6 men. 1 man means 1 by y. 6 men means 6 into 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. Why 1 by 3 here? Because they take 3 days. Understood? 3 days. So 1 by 3. Now substitute for 1 by x and 1 by y. 3a. Why a? This 3 is here. 1 by x means our assumption here, let 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. That means 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. Again the same case. What do you do? Multiply both the terms by 3. That is 3 3s are 9a plus 6 3s are 18b is equal to 1. This is your second equation. So the first part of the question we have done, that is formulated the equations. Now we have to find the solution of it. Okay, solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equations 1 and 2. So what is equation number 1? Here 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. What what is equation number 2? 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. You see, none of the terms are equal here to cancel. So I will take to cancel here. This you can take or this you can take. Understood? So let me take the first case. That means here multiply the first part of the equation, that is by 9, and the second by 8, because I want to cancel or eliminate a. Okay, fine. See here, 9 into a is 72a plus 9 into 20 means 180. B is equal to 9. 8 nines are again 72a plus 8 into 80. 8 into 80, 64. 144. B is equal to 8. Now change the sign, that is minus, 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 cancel. 180 minus 144. So here it is 180 minus 144, 6, 36. That means here it is greater number having plus sign. 36b is equal to 9 minus 8 is 1, because here it is greater number is having 9. So here now what I do, b is equal to what happens, therefore b is equal to 1 divided by 36. 1 divided by 36. Now what I do here, rub this part, again put a line here. What is our b? 1 by y. 1 by y means b, isn't it? Now here b means 1 by 36, therefore put 1 by y in place of b. That is 1 by y is equal to 1 by 36. Right? So taking reciprocal of it is what? Taking reciprocal. Taking reciprocal, here y is equal to 36 days. What is our y? Y means one man alone. So one man will take 36 days to complete the same quantum of work. Now what I do here, this y value you put in any one of the equation. Here no. What I have to do is, again you have to put b value in one of the equation, either this or here. Then bring the equation in the form of a, then substitute for a. What I do here, I just rub this part of the question, means solution. Then what I do is go for the continuation of this solution. Make a note of it, please. Okay, see here. Now what I do here, b value I put in any one of the equation. Easiest method is this one, I will take it. That is 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. See, any method you can do. Instead of considering it as 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, you can directly go in for taking LCM and x and y. In terms of x and y, you can keep the equations and thereby directly substitute y value and find x value. That is also okay, right? Whichever you feel easy, you do it. 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. Now what is our here b value? 1 by 36. Put over here. So 8a plus 20 into 1 by 36 is equal to 1. Cancellation possible? 9s are 5s are. That means 8a plus, this is 5 by 9 is equal to 1. Send this 5 by 9 to this side. 8a plus, sorry not plus, 8a is equal to 1 plus becomes minus 5 by 9. That means LCM 9 again, 1 into 9, 9 into 1. That means 8a is equal to, this 9 into 1 is 9, minus ko minus, 5 into 1 is 5, whole thing divided by your LCM 9. That means here 8a is equal to 9 minus 5 is how much? 4 divided by 9. What I do, a is equal to directly I will keep. This 8 will come down to reduce one step. Now 4 1s are, 4 2s are. What is this A? A is equal to 1 by 9 into 2, that is 18. That means this is 1 by 18. This is our A value. Is it the answer? No sir, it's not an answer. Now what is your A? I have rubbed this part. A is 1 by x. Therefore 1 by x is equal to 1 by 18. Taking reciprocals, same steps you have to follow. Taking reciprocals. So x is equal to 18 days. What is x stands for? What x stands for? This is your first answer and this is your second answer. What x stands for? X stands for one man. How many? See here. This is X stands for one woman and Y stands for one man. Understood? So one woman can finish the same quantity of work in 18 days and one man can finish the same quantity of work in 36 days. You see here, man, woman, 18 days, exactly double time the men take. Understood? One man. Understood? I will go for third one now. Please make a note of it.